In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make, formerly Integromat, and ClickUp. This guide will walk you through connecting the two tools so you can start building automations that save time and reduce manual work across your workflows. To begin, open Make in your web browser and go to your main organization dashboard. If you are not already signed in, log in to access your workspace. Think of this dashboard as your control center, where every automation you build will start. It is the foundation for designing workflows that connect different apps together. Next, create a new scenario. In Make, a scenario is essentially an automation blueprint. When you select Create Scenario, you will enter a visual editor where different modules are connected to define how your automation behaves. This is the canvas where your ClickUp workflow will be designed and structured. Inside the module selection area, search for ClickUp. If it does not appear immediately, use the search function to locate it quickly. Selecting ClickUp tells Make that your scenario will interact directly with your ClickUp workspace, allowing both platforms to communicate. After that, choose the specific ClickUp action you want to perform. This could include creating a new task, updating an existing task, or watching for changes within your workspace. As a helpful guide, watch or list-based actions are used when you want to pull information from ClickUp, while create or update actions are used when you want Make to send data into ClickUp. Choosing the right one depends on the automation you want to build. Before continuing, set up a connection between Make and ClickUp. This connection securely links both platforms so data can move between them. You only need to configure this once for each account setup. Give your connection a clear and descriptive name so it is easy to identify later, especially if you manage multiple environments or projects. A structured name helps keep your automations organized as they grow. Once named, save the connection. A confirmation window will appear, and you may be prompted to authorize access through your ClickUp account. Follow the on-screen steps carefully, including any email verification if required. Make sure you are granting access to the correct workspace and that your permissions allow interaction with the relevant spaces and lists. After the authorization is complete, your connection becomes active. This means Make can now communicate with ClickUp, and your selected action is ready to use inside the scenario builder. From here, you can continue building your automation with confidence, knowing the integration is properly configured. If anything fails to connect, double-check your permissions and ensure you selected the correct workspace during setup. And that is it. You have successfully connected Make with ClickUp and chosen your first automation action, setting the foundation for powerful workflow automation. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.